Cameron's cooking show, our special Thanksgiving edition, part 1 today. We're making turkey brine for our turkey for Thanksgiving tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving, or happy early Thanksgiving. So we're going to start adding our ingredients. Okay, and now we're going to pour the ingredients in. First, we start with 1 cup of salt. Oh, by the way, wash your hands before doing this. Then, 1 cup of brown sugar. Daddy? And now we're going to add the 5 bay leaves. And now we're going to add the 5 cloves of garlic. Now we'll be right back. Start stirring it all in after you add all the ingredients. Now we're going to add black pepper, some parsley, and some rosemary. Here we go. First, some black pepper. Ooh, kind of chemical reaction. Now some basil.
Parsley.
Wow. It spooks me sometimes.
Put the whole handful in.
I'm only a kid working with fire, okay? Parsley. And the last step is some rosemary.
That's good, that's good, that's good.
There. Now we're going to add 1 white onion and 2 oranges. Now since we've put in the oranges, now it's time to squeeze in some orange. Sometimes really gotta use your muscles.
That's good.
Carefully drop it in. We'll be right back. Welcome back. And now we're going to turn our soup off. Look. And we're going to turn it off heat and then add ice. Okay.
All the way off.
It is. And we're back. And now we're going to pour in the brine. Go ahead. Oh my gosh. Ew. But it's gonna taste good with the turkey. For Thanksgiving. Take a little look. Can't believe we're putting all that onions and all that. Might need a little scooper. And there it is. It looks like a puke bag. And we're back. And keep adding ice and water to the mix. That's 1 cup of ice. And we'll be right back. Actually, let's just watch him pour in the water. Now we'll then mix up the brine and the water. And the ice. And the brine. Okay, now we're back. Now it's time to soak the turkey into the brine, which is my favorite part of the season part of the Thanksgiving editions. Now that's the big turkey into the brine. Ew, that butt. That's that big butt. And we'll be right back. Now since our turkey is burning, we're going to let it